In this exercise, we will take a look at unordered lists. In addition to organizing text in paragraph form, you can also display content in an easy-to-read list. In HTML, you can use an unordered list tag or UL tag to create a list of items in no particular order. An unordered list outlines individual list items with a bullet point. The UL element should not hold raw text and won't automatically format raw text into an unordered list of items. Individual list items must be added to the unordered list using the li tag. The li or list item tag is used to describe an item in a list. You see, we have UL element, and then you need to place li elements with some content or text inside. In the example above, the list was created using the UL tag, and all individual list items were added using li tags. The output will look like this. So limes, tortillas, and chicken. Limes, tortillas, and chicken. Instructions under the heading that says species: create an unordered list. Do not add any list item to the list just yet. So let's find the species. It is right here. So under the heading that says species, let's create UL closing tag. Now we have the closing tag, of course. Let's click run. It works. Let's see what is the next task. Add the following list items to the unordered list. So we have 4 list items. Let's add the first one. Let's copy the first one. Let's create the second one. Oops. The next one. And the last one, the fourth one. Let's copy this. Click run. Everything looks fine. Here is our list on the page, right below heading species. Okay, in this lesson we learn how to create unordered list and organize our items. Let's proceed to the next one.